Kuya Ben, sa mga kabayan ng San Pablo. I am happy to be a small part of your grand preparation for your Golden Jubilee. Napalitaan ko po inyong Golden Jubilee nung mag-sultare sa Kalapan. I was there with the clergy of Lucena. Napanood ko po ang championship ng Lipa at San Pablo. Nagagaling po ang clergy ng San Pablo. Nakakalakan ko pa si Father Maymay. Si Father... Hindi ko po nakandaan yung ibang mga players. Father Emil Lo, Pastor David. Kilala ko. Sa swimming yung nalaman sa Lucena. Yun lamang. Sinabi po sa akin na ang nalakayan ko tungkol sa Mahal na Virgen at iugnay din sa pag-asa, the theological virtue of hope. So I entitled this talk, Mary, Star of Hope. And I lifted this title from the encyclical of Pope Benedict XVI entitled Spe Salvi. So to begin with, let us reflect on the Lumen Gentium. So for all we know, Lumen Gentium gives us this document on the Blessed Virgin Mary. In chapter 8 of the same document, entitled Our Lady, presents to us the Mariological teaching of the Second Vatican Council. And I quote from Lumen Gentium 68, Mary shines forth on earth, a sign of certain hope and comfort to the pilgrim people of God. So lima po ang pagtalakay ng Vatican II sa tungkol sa Mahal na Birhen. At ikalima ito, Mary as a sign of hope. And then we quote from the encyclical I have mentioned earlier, Spe Salvi. Sabi ni Pope Emeritus, who more than Mary could be a star of hope for us? Ito po ay sa last article, and you know very well, every document ends with the Blessed Virgin Mary. Ganun po palagi ang mga documents na Rome, nagtatapos palagi sa Mahal na Birhen. So the very last article mentions Blessed Virgin Mary as star of hope. And today, let me share with you the four events in the life of Mary, which I would say the four C's of Mary. Para po madaling tandaan, inilagay ko lahat sa letter C ang mga mysteries in the life of Mary. Namely, we have the number one is the call. I am referring to the Annunciation narrative that tells us the vocation of Mary. It presents to us a vocation pattern, katulad din sa Old Testament, nasa Annunciation po. So I call this call. The second is called Canticle. And of course, you know, I'm referring to Magnificat, the Song of Our Lady. The third C, referring to an important event, the Gospel of John, the wedding at Cana. And finally, another C, the crucifixion narrative. And Mary also plays an important role. So, cross. Yan po ang apat na pagkagalingan ng ating dinilay sa umagang ito. And from, I will present first kind of an exegetical presentation of the same, and later we'll draw reflections from the same and apply it to our life as please. Let us reflect on the Annunciation narrative. It is taken from the Gospel of Luke chapter 1, verses 26.